Bitcoin just hit new highs, but here's the real opportunity. It's not too late to get involved. I'll break down how you can take advantage of this moment and turn it into profit. Don't miss these insights. Bitcoin has just broken its all-time high, and people are buzzing about it. But what's really driving this price surge? You might think it's just hype, but there's something bigger happening. It's not just speculation pushing the price of Bitcoin to new heights. There are several key factors that are contributing to this surge, and some of them might surprise you. First, institutional investors are finally embracing Bitcoin as a store of value. Big companies like Tesla and Square are adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets, and that's sending a huge signal to the market. But here's the question: if you're thinking it's too late to get in, think again. There's still a massive opportunity on the horizon. Now, you might be asking, isn't Bitcoin already too high? Shouldn't I just stay on the sidelines? Well, here's why you're actually in the perfect spot to get in. Yes, Bitcoin's price is high, but we're just getting started. We're entering a phase of the market where more and more investors are buying into Bitcoin. As more traditional financial systems adopt it, the price could go much higher. There's a massive push happening from institutional investors, hedge funds, and even central banks that see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. This is the next big wave, and it's not too late to get involved. Now that you know why it's not too late, let me show you how you can make the most of this moment. So, now that you understand why Bitcoin is still in its growth phase, how do you make sure you're not missing out? I've got a strategy for you, and it's simpler than you think. It's all about timing and diversification. First, don't buy all your Bitcoin at once. Buy in smaller increments over time. This will protect you from the volatility. Second, consider diversifying your portfolio with other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Solana, both of which are poised for growth as well. Finally, set clear profit-taking goals and know when to exit to lock in your gains. But here's the best part: what's coming next for Bitcoin could be even bigger than what we've seen already. Everyone's talking about Bitcoin, but few are mentioning what's next. What's on the horizon for Bitcoin that could send it to new heights? I'm about to reveal it to you. While Bitcoin is already reaching all-time highs, there's a hidden opportunity that could drive Bitcoin's price even higher: regulation and institutional adoption. As countries start to regulate Bitcoin, we'll see even more institutional money flood into the market. More regulated Bitcoin ETFs are being approved, and once that happens, Bitcoin's price will likely get a huge boost as it becomes more accessible to regular investors and institutions alike. So, now that you know why Bitcoin could see even higher prices, let's talk about the long-term growth of Bitcoin and how it will change the financial landscape. If you're sitting on the sidelines, you could be missing out on the biggest transfer of wealth in history. Bitcoin's skyrocketing price is only one part of the puzzle. The real opportunity comes from understanding the long-term trends. With institutional support, regulation, and global adoption becoming more prominent, Bitcoin is becoming the future of finance. And now's your chance to get in on the ground floor. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Cryptocurrencies are volatile and risky, so do your own research and consult a financial advisor. But wait, don't go just yet. If you think Bitcoin's rise is exciting, you won't believe what's happening with Solana. I'm releasing a video tomorrow where I'll break down why Solana could be the next big cryptocurrency to skyrocket. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss out on this game-changing insight coming your way.